guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will have an unboxing of the AIO collar that I bought, which is the Lian Galahad 240. So this is it. It's Lian Galahad AIO 240 RGB. See, this is how it looks. This is the manual or the guide how you will assemble the AIO collar, and this is it. So it has this silica gel, as you can see. This is it. It looks so premium. And this is the pump. And here are some wires and bolts that you need. It also has the cover, which you can use to cover this. And these are the pants. Wow. So these are the buns. This is how it looks in the front, and it is how it looks in the back. It is quite heavy compared to those who are budget pants. So as you can see, it is really premium. And these are the wires that you can use to connect to the motherboard, and also for the RGB in the motherboard. So this is it. And there's a thermal paste. This is for the AMD and cover, and this is for the LJ 1700. So there's are some additional wires, and actually it has its separate switch if you don't want to connect it into the motherboard, but I suggest you to connect it in the motherboard. So this is the power cable from your power supply, or to connect it in your power supply. So I will just set aside these cables so I can show you the other parts. These are the bolts. It has lots of bolts that you can use for Intel actually, because for AMD you only need few bolts here. And that's all for other accessories. And actually this is the cover if you don't want to use, or you want the Lian logo. But for me, I will show the Lian logo, since that's why the reason that's the reason why I buy this AIO collar, because Lian is top. So this is the radiator, and as you can see, it is an aluminum. It colors gray, so it's really good. I like this color, and the silver color in the pump. So this is how it looks when you use the cover. And this is the instructions guide how you will assemble the item. Now I will try to assemble the item so that you will see how it will look when everything or all of this part is connected.
So that's all for today, and I hope you see the video or you see what you want to know about the product or what's inside the box. See you in the next video. Goodbye.